Within the human body, there exist 6 bizarre phenomena that science still cannot explain. Each one is eerie and mysterious. From chilling near-death visions that feel like stepping into another world, to sudden bursts of superhuman strength that defy every law of biology, our bodies hold secrets that blur the line between science and the supernatural. For centuries, doctors and researchers have tried to uncover the truth. Yet these strange human mysteries remain unsolved, leaving more questions than answers. Are they glitches in our biology? Hidden powers we don't fully understand? Or proof that the human body is capable of far more than we realize? Today on Top Bit, we're counting down the top 6 unexplained mysteries of the human body. So, let's dive into the countdown. Number 6, near-death experiences, the soul journey at the edge of death. For centuries, people who have come dangerously close to death have reported something extraordinary. A journey that defies the limits of science and challenges our very understanding of life and death. Survivors often describe eerily similar visions: a tunnel filled with radiant light, the sensation of leaving their physical body behind, and sometimes even encounters with loved ones who have already passed away. It doesn't matter if they are young or old, religious or not, the stories share strikingly common details. Some describe overwhelming peace, others feel as though they've glimpsed another world beyond our own. Scientists have tried to explain this phenomenon. Some theories point to a lack of oxygen in the brain during trauma. Others suggest it's the release of powerful chemicals, hallucinations triggered by the mind in its final moments. But none of these theories fully explain why so many experiences are so consistent across cultures and time. Is it just the brain's way of protecting us from the fear of death? Or could it be evidence of something far greater, a glimpse of what lies beyond life itself? Near-death experiences remain one of the most haunting and mysterious phenomena of the human body, a possible soul journey at the very edge of existence. Number 5, superhuman strength, the hidden power of crisis. Imagine this: a car crashes, trapping someone underneath. A bystander, an ordinary person with no training, no special preparation, suddenly lifts the car with their bare hands to save a life. It sounds like a scene from a superhero movie, but countless real-life reports describe exactly this phenomenon. Moments when ordinary humans display a strength so incredible, it defies everything we know about biology. Scientists call it hysterical strength, but they admit it's one of the strangest mysteries of the human body. In controlled experiments, athletes push their limits with years of training, yet they can never replicate the raw, explosive power that emerges in life-or-death situations. Some theories suggest it's linked to adrenaline, a hormone that surges through the body in moments of extreme danger, flooding our muscles with temporary bursts of energy. Others believe it's the brain itself, unlocking a hidden reserve of strength we normally never access. But here's the catch. Even with modern science, we still don't fully understand why this strength only appears under extreme crisis and why it vanishes the moment the danger is gone. Is this just a survival mechanism? Or proof that our bodies hide far greater potential than we dare to believe? Superhuman strength remains one of the most mysterious abilities of the human body, a terrifying yet awe-inspiring reminder of what we might truly be capable of. Number 4, the mystery of blood types. Why do humans have different blood types? AB, AB, and O, 4 simple letters that can mean the difference between life and death. If you've ever donated or received blood, you know compatibility is crucial. Mixing the wrong blood types can cause fatal reactions, yet scientists still don't fully understand why these differences exist in the first place. Blood types are determined by tiny molecules on the surface of red blood cells. But here's the mystery. Why did evolution create them? And why are they distributed so unevenly across the globe? For example, type O is the most common worldwide, but type B is more frequent in parts of Asia, while AB, the rarest type, is found in only a small percentage of the global population. These variations suggest that blood types might have once given survival advantages, perhaps protecting certain groups from deadly diseases. Some researchers believe type O may have offered resistance against malaria, while others think type B may have provided immunity to different infections. But none of these theories explain the full picture. Even stranger, studies show blood type might affect more than just transfusions. It may influence personality traits, resistance to illness, and even the risk of conditions like heart disease or cancer. And yet, after decades of research, no one can say with certainty why blood types exist or what hidden role they truly play in human biology. The mystery of blood types remains unsolved, a riddle written into the very code of our blood. Number 3, the mystery of memory storage. The human brain is often called the most complex structure in the known universe. It has the power to store a lifetime of memories, every sound you've heard, every face you've seen, every place you've been. But here's the mind-bending truth. Scientists still don't fully understand how memories are stored. We know that neurons communicate with one another through tiny connections called synapses. And it's believed that when you experience something new, these synapses change, creating pathways that allow you to recall it later. But the exact mechanism, how a specific moment like your first day of school or the smell of your grandmother's cooking can be encoded and then retrieved decades later, remains a mystery. There are documented cases of people suddenly remembering details from childhood that they hadn't thought of in 50 years. Some stroke or brain injury survivors lose entire chunks of memory, while others develop uncanny photographic recall. It's as if the brain hides memories in places we still don't know how to access. Even more puzzling is the phenomenon of false memories, vivid recollections of events that never actually happened. If the brain can store both real and fabricated experiences, what does that say about the reliability of memory itself? Modern neuroscience has mapped countless regions of the brain involved in memory: the hippocampus, the amygdala, the prefrontal cortex. Yet no single memory center has ever been found. Instead, it seems memories are scattered like puzzle pieces across different regions, somehow working together to create the story of who we are. And here's the eerie part. If memories define our identity, but we don't truly understand how they're stored, do we really understand what makes us us? The mystery of memory storage remains one of the greatest enigmas of the human body. Number 2, dreams and déjà vu. Every night, when we close our eyes and drift into sleep, we enter a world of dreams. In this strange realm, the laws of time and logic no longer apply. You might be flying through the sky, meeting someone long gone, or reliving moments that never happened. But here's the mystery. Why do we dream at all? Some scientists believe dreams are the brain's way of processing emotions and memories, like a nighttime cleaning system. Others suggest dreams help us solve problems by allowing the subconscious mind to explore scenarios we'd never think of when awake. Still, none of these theories fully explain the bizarre, sometimes prophetic nature of dreams. Then, there's déjà vu, the eerie sensation that you've experienced a moment before, even though you know it's impossible. It might happen while walking down a street in a new city, or during a casual conversation with a friend. Suddenly you feel like you've been there, said those words, or lived that exact second before. What causes this glitch in our perception? Some researchers think déjà vu is a kind of memory misfire, when the brain mistakenly interprets the present as a past experience. Others propose it could be linked to the way our brain processes time, like two signals arriving slightly out of sync. And yet, many people report déjà vu moments that feel far too detailed and specific to be a simple brain error. Some even describe them as glimpses into parallel realities, or echoes of forgotten dreams bleeding into waking life. Despite decades of research, dreams and déjà vu remain two of the greatest unsolved riddles of the human mind. They remind us that, even within our own brains, there are dimensions of reality we still don't understand. Number 1, placebo effect. Imagine taking a pill that contains no medicine at all, yet somehow your body begins to heal. This is the placebo effect, one of the most baffling phenomena in medicine. Patients given sugar pills, saline injections, or sham treatments often report real improvements in pain, mood, or even physical symptoms. How is this possible? The answer lies in the mysterious power of the human brain. When a person believes they are receiving real treatment, their brain can release chemicals like endorphins and dopamine that trigger genuine physiological responses. Studies have shown that the placebo effect can reduce pain, improve sleep, and even enhance recovery after surgery. It demonstrates a remarkable mind-body connection. Belief alone can sometimes be as powerful as medicine. Yet, despite decades of research, scientists still do not fully understand how or why this happens. Why do some people respond strongly while others do not? What determines the intensity of the effect? And how much of our healing is driven by biology versus the mind's expectation? The placebo effect challenges everything we thought we knew about medicine. It reveals that healing is not only a physical process, but also a deeply psychological one, a reminder that the human mind is capable of extraordinary influence over the body. In the end, the placebo effect remains a living mystery, showing us that sometimes the greatest medicine may be belief itself. These are 6 of the most bizarre and mysterious phenomena in the human body. From near-death visions and superhuman strength to the mystery of blood types, from the way our brain stores memories and dreams with déjà vu, to the placebo effect, our bodies still hold secrets that science cannot fully explain. Which of these phenomena fascinates you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing discoveries.